Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show you all disco balls in Iceberg Lounge for LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. So basically what you'll need to do is use your grappler and go right here. Okay, so you'll need to use your grappler. Then jump right here, do this parkour, and go, and you'll see your first disco ball right here, as you can see. Now what we need to do is go right here, crouch down, through here. Now from here, from this room, what we'll need to do is just crouch right here. First of all, just remove the camera and go into the tunnel, and you'll see the second disco ball. So right here is the disc ball. Maybe I can reach it like this. Okay, that's 2 out of 5. The third disco ball will be in Iceberg Lounge, and right here just drop down and you'll find the third disco ball right here. Okay, so right here, when you go to this carnival thing from the slide, what you'll need to do is go and jump it right here with your grappler and do this little parkour right here, and then just go right here and you'll find another disco ball. So if you just drop down and just go through there, you'll be able to break that. Okay, now we have 4 out of 5 disco balls. Okay, so now what we'll need to do to get the last disco ball, we need to use Gordon. So basically gum it up those speakers, and now you'll be able to go through and you'll find the last disco ball right here. That's it guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.